It is National Donut Day, so why not here at Lake Tawakoni 1000 Trails go see if Killian can bob for a donut. What do you think, Killian? Can you do it?
I think I got this.
We'll see. Hey guys, if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe now and join us on our journey. We'd love to have you along. There's a subscribe button right down there. The red one that says subscribe. Click that, hit the bell, give us a like. Donuts.
Yes, you might. All right. You got 1 minute. On your mark, get set, no rules, no hands. Go. Big old white. That's the way to do it.
Oh, he's pretty good.
20 seconds, he's got it going.
Of course he does.
Keep going, keep going. Oh, you're a little piece too?
I broke off the string.
He ate his right on the string, had the string in his mouth. We're gonna let him hide out of it a little bit. Laughing too hard. All right, guys, great job, great job. Thank you.
Yeah, I got like 3rd place. Sad. That donut was pretty hard to eat.
He just lost to this big mouth. I can eat.
I was just trying my hardest, and I was just like, man, this donut is just so good. I can savor it.
Again, I can eat. He lost because I can eat.
Now, all I have is this dog, and the rest of that donut. So once in place.
I think he's gonna cry. We'll leave him be.
Yeah, if I was there, I totally would have won.
I see you.
I got an even bigger mouth.
I see you.
You would have loved that.
Yeah, he would have been able to meet kids and been like the best donut eater ever. You could have told him S, wait,